if you look at the hadith, and this is especially important one for us, Abu Hurairah radiallahu anhu says that the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, listen carefully Muslims, that يَتَعَاقَبُونَ فِيكُمْ مَلَائِكَةٌ بِاللَّيْلِ وَمَلَائِكَةٌ بِالنَّهَارِ وَيَجْتَمِعُونَ عِنْدَ صَلَاةِ الْفَجْرِ وَصَلَاةِ الْعَصْرِ. That angels have shifts over you, like as in angels come and stay with you for the night, and then they go up to the heavens, and then other angels come and stay during the day, and they go up at night. The shift swap times are Fajr and Asr. So the hadith says both groups of angels are present at Fajr, and both groups of angels are present at Asr. Am I making sense, or have I lost you? So at Asr time, the angels for the night come down, and the angels of the day are there, they shift swap, and then the angels of the day go up and the night ones stay for the night. So both of them are present at Fajr, and both are present at Asr. That is why the verse of the Quran, Subhan al-Khaliq, says, Inna Quran al-Fajr kana mashhuda. The Quran of Fajr is witnessed, as in both groups of angels witness it. So it is recorded double. Fajr is recorded twice, and Asr is recorded twice. Because both the angels are there recording. وَرُسُلُنَا لَدَيْهِمْ يَكْتُبُونَ. And our angels, messengers, are with them recording. So they record Asr, and the other one records Asr. And then they go up to the Dhul Arsh al-Majid and فَعَالٌ لِمَا يُرِيد. So look at this. So Allah Rabbul Izzah asks them, كَيْفَ تَرَكْتُمْ عِبَادِي? How did you leave my servants? So the angels say, تَرَكْنَاهُمْ وَهُمْ يُصَلُّونَ وَأَتَيْنَاهُمْ وَهُمْ يُصَلُّونَ. We came to them, they were praying. We left them, they were praying. So what a beautiful report daily, that at the beginning of it is Salah and at the end of it is Salah. And note here carefully, you are reported about twice daily. So when your boss requires a report, you make adjustments, you make preparations. Now the Dhul Arsh al-Majid takes two reports about you daily. One comes about you at Asr and the other one at Fajr. Your deeds go up and are presented to the Lord at Fajr and at Asr. And the secret is this, that if you pray these two prayers well and meet the haqq of prayer, then whatever's in between it, Allah will forgive. بدليل قول الله تعالى وأقم الصلاة طرفي النهار وزلفا من الليل إن الحسنات يذهبن السيئات. And pray at the two ends of the day and at the arrival of the night. The good deeds will delete the bad. So the scholars give a beautiful example. If there are two lights, there's no darkness in between. And you will notice that it is the same two prayers which you are the laziest to pray. Fajr comes and you have the hadith for it. Shaitan knocks your head into the pillow. Why? Because he doesn't want the sins of the night deleted. So you sit, you become lazy, lethargic, tired, sleepy, and Asr comes, you've just come from work, all of a sudden sleep comes and overtakes you, to you just enough for you, and I swear it to you, wait for Asr to finish, you're fine. You will become full of life and energy once again, because the mal'oon lets you go. So what you need to do is be insistent and persistent on these two prayers. And look at the wisdom of the Rasul. The adhkar of sabah and masa are at these times. So this is where you sit and do your 100 istighfar. And subhanallah, this is where you do your adhkar of morning and night. And how beautiful will a record look Fajr, Salat, mashallah, preferably in Jama'ah, then Adhkar, then Istighfar, then Qira'ah. Your introduction is nice and solid. And then the conclusion at the end of the day, nice and solid, and Allah Rabbul Izzah deletes the daily record. So if I can indulge you for 2 more minutes. So this is your account being presented to the Lord daily. Then weekly, because it is important, when you know you've got a deliverable, you will be ready, inshallah ta'ala. Your weekly report goes on a Monday and on a Thursday. So every Monday and Thursday, and Allah's system is a system, Subhan al-Khaliq, every Monday and Thursday, angels give a weekly report. So what did the Rasul teach you to do on a Monday and on a Thursday? Fast. Do you see? Good deeds, solid, big good deeds. To delete this is a strong press of the delete button. This is clearing of the history, so this is delete. So and the Rasul says it. I want my record to go up whilst I am fasting. So on the daily pages, you have salah, you have adhkar, you have Quran. Then weekly, you have fast and fast. All day in ibadah.
Alhamdulillah, we are happy to announce the launch of the One Islam TV app. Watch hundreds of high-quality produced Islamic reminders, Quran learning videos, stories of the prophets, and so much more. 2 new videos uploaded daily, inshallah. Watch videos on demand, or download videos and watch offline. No more annoying ads or pop-ups. 100% safe browsing for your peace of mind. Watch or listen to lectures and lessons while you work, rest, or drive with your device switched off. One Islam TV is 100% run and owned by Muslims, which means the small amount you pay for your subscription is a SADAQAH JARIYAH, continuous charity for you, as we use the funds raised to continue producing more beneficial videos and reminders, inshallah. The One Islam TV app is now available on Apple devices, Apple TV, Android devices, Android TV, Amazon Fire TV, and Roku, so you can watch on most devices and smart TVs. Download now for a free 7-day trial. May Allah reward you for supporting our work.